already jammed.
See?
He said you cocked up too high on it.
Where should I hold it?
What'd you do? Go lower on the grip? There, just held
I don't know
up
how many
again.
bullets are in it.
Better Ed?
Jammer that time.
Did you keep your thumb down?
Yeah.
That's what it was.
Probably
You're
was
riding
catching
you're
that.
riding that with your thumb.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
No,
Guess
my
what?
wife
He's
was
still dead though.
Yeah, I'd say so. I'd say
Go try the
so.
9.
Yeah, I don't think he's gonna be coming at you.
What's that?
That Uncle Brett up in there.
Yeah, Brad, fire the 380.
Glad it was fucking around tire, but it's a pain, man. That spring. That one Joe put in, it holds an extra bullet.
Yeah.
Or 2, don't it? 2. You buy a kit, you take your clip apart.
Well, that thing's really small, isn't it? It's a barrel.
It's a pain, isn't it, once you get a few.
It's like being at Gettysburg. It's a war.
6 or 7.
You want to shoot the 9?
Oh my god.
Sure. That's the one that has the less read. Duke can tell the difference. I don't shoot.
That's what he was. I think you were the one telling me about it when you were Lewis down.
You might want to put a few more in there. I don't know how that got in there. That's a money bullet there. I got to get that all up.
Yeah, that's when you don't want to wait at the blanket.
Nah.
Where it was going to be down.
Yeah, you're good then. You're good.
Does that 380 have a safety on it, Joel? Safety
Bill,
now.
he can explain it. Build into it.
This one, isn't it? It has the trigger.
Yeah, the trigger part.
Yeah, I have that. I don't like that. I'd rather have a safety.
Yeah, for the next shot.
You could conceal that thing pretty easily, couldn't you? Pretty quiet. That was a quiet shot. I said that was pretty quiet. Is it jammed up?
Get your ammo. couple, someone to red. I'm getting a spotty too.
I like that. I think it. I mean, it's just nice. That shit is.
Farther bread when a lesser dot.
Justin never fixed taters quite
So
yet.
you could still
I don't think so.
That's loud. I even have earplugs in it. It's loud. He's shooting up on the hill, isn't he?
You're in right there.
Did he hit it? I never seen that they were that loud when I was in the military. I don't know why. It's freaking loud though. That's what I said. I got a little ring in my ear, and I got these things plugged in my ear holes.
I go to my face.
My ear holes plugged up.
It wasn't me, it was my wife.
Sure you don't want to shoot one? Rob.
Hmm? I don't know. My gut's still healing up. I don't know. Fuck it up.
It's a nice setup.
I know. I was surprised. He can just shoot semi-auto real easy. Just shoot one at a time.
That's what you should get.
It's a nice gun.
Now you're in.
Damn, I can't believe that thing actually jammed.
It does.
Is it out already? It's already out.
You want to try it?
Hey, let me try it.
I got loaded up.
I can't believe it's out already. Holy hell. You had to get another magazine.
I have one.
Oh, do you?
I got 4 of them.
I was gonna say, because you be loading it up all the time.
Here you go.
What do you want for
You can't. It sucks because you can't target. There's no-
Yeah, I mean, like, what kind of. You want to start at 2 or. I mean, this is a rimfire. This is a rimfire scope. Good info.
30 for one.
I just got this one because this is what I had on my same one on my AR. This one, but same across the board.
It's dead on with the fucking plate.
Is it really?
See that white part up there at the log? There was a metal target there.
What?
Yeah, I think it was all I was flying through it that way.
Or
Last
semi-auto. This is the best.
There's a safety on it.
As far as aftermarket. Aftermarket is the rig or what? 1022.
Looks like right in the center of the stick. This thing's amazing. There's no recoil. There's none at all.
You shoot all day long.
Oh, this car needs to get open. That shit. You can't lock it open, can you?
It jammed.
You do that every time.
I don't know why it jams like that.
It's all
Yeah, like the thing, I might.
Huh?
You can't lock it back, though, can you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's ready to fire.
Pull back. Pull that out. And then lock and load. You see that clip? There's the 22. He just bought it. No, that's not it. That's not the block. Where's the block? He just bought this. It's 22.
How many rounds?
That's
10 for now. I want to get some. Alright.
You want to shoot? This one's actually. Is it? It's pretty loud. Yeah, he hit twice. I thought you said the target wasn't that good on that one. He hit twice with it.
It's loaded, it just needs talk.
How do you like that rifle?
fun to shoot.
Yeah, it looks like it'd be.
Shoot it.
It's like a, looks like something that you'd have, you know, when you're a little kid, you know?
that
It's
one,
really
I
nice
like
looking. Shiny. Said you ought to take the sides off and get it engraved, put your name on it or something.
Go try it.
It looks nice.
Sweet, dude.
That's just, this is beautiful looking.
It's got a nice thick barrel.
Is it expensive?
What did it cost?
450 for the 22.
450. Oh, you gotta talk it.
That's like you're talking about.
Find it.
No, I can shoot this one better than anything I shot today. I like this gun.
Different animal. Same caliber.
That gun's got a little bit of weight to it too.
Yeah.
That's a nice gun. I like it.
Put that down.
You know, I like this because it's so fucking loud. And what's nice about it is if somebody was trying to attack you, you could shoot away from them. They'd hear the noise. It's loud enough. It would scare somebody. You know what I mean? It would actually scare somebody away.
2245. What is it? The Ruger.
It's
Like
loud.
the pistol version of this.
That's loud too. That sucker there puts out a good bark out.
Sights might be a little different, by the way, Brent. Back in business.
Ah, shoot it.
What'd you do? Get the batteries for
You
it?
found one.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Where was it at? In your bag?
I had it in my.
Oh, you had one extra.
Red dot for that Ruger.
Oh yeah.
And had some spare batteries.
Now shoot the target.
You can see what the hell you're doing
It's
now.
ready. You recording yourself?
Yeah, I just turned it on. I don't know if it's what it's my lens. You can't see. It just it's pointed. I just figured I'd put it on and see what it looks like. I thought we recorded no video. Hit that shit down there. It's pretty damn accurate. I hit that one way away. I can't believe it's way down there.
Joe sighted it in for me. I can't take credit. I shot it last time. That's sweet. I kind of want one.
I kind of like it now that you can see.
You like better,
See how accurate this thing is?
How do you- You want that? What do you shoot? Do you want that to be lined up flat?
And what the hell is that thing accurate? That thing's accurate as hell. There's still some bullets on it. That thing's accurate as shit.
Did it fun?
I shot that one's way down there. I can't believe it. It had it right on it. That thing's really accurate. It's awesome.
You can load up another clip.
And that rifle hits pretty good too.
Oh, open sights. I hit
I know. I hit one of the ones way down there with it. I was surprised because I'm a little shaky myself.
Dude, I blew through 200 rounds with this on a day.
Yeah, it shoots pretty fast.
It's just fun.
It shoots pretty quick.
Yeah, I like that rifle.
That thing shoots pretty good. It's heavy enough that you can keep it steady. You know, it's not real light. It's perfect. The weight's good on it.
You want my
It's
sandbag?
weighted real good. Kind of yours is so freaking accurate with that scope on it. Every time it shoots, it hits.
They come factory with it.
I can imagine with the rest of them on there, he probably really be accurate.
I'm gonna let if you want up. Hit, clear.
Probably is a 44. got it.
Yeah, he did. With a fucking hand.
First try.
He sleeps with them, you know that.
Snapped it right
He
down.
sleeps with them.
Pillow beside him.
Yeah.
Legs like out on the
Alright, I'm
couch.
going for the little red one to the right of that. The little like circle.
I hit one of them the little red ones. I don't know if I think I did it with his assault rifle. There we go. The chickens. There you go. There you go. Woo!
Wobbling.
How come yours is bouncing off and his are knocking him down? He ain't gonna go. You gotta hit it towards the top. You gotta hit it right in the top, probably. Jill's he's digging a friggin' hole underneath it.
Still standing.
I know. That looked like you were digging a hole in front of it.
I had it a few times.
Yeah.
That's what's fun about that.
Did you buy that one online?
That's from camp.
Oh, yeah.
All these birds.
If any of this film turns out good, I'll piece something together and put it on YouTube. I'll put some music on. I used this camera before, but I never did okay.